Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix screen flickering on iPhone 15. The iPhone 15 series boasts Super Retina XDR OLED displays, delivering premium color processing, precise color reproduction, and enhanced peak brightness. While users can enjoy these benefits, there is a risk of experiencing problems, and one of them is the iPhone 15 screen flickering issue. As reported on forum, this often arises after scrolling horizontally on various apps, entering the control center screen or locking. In these cases, the screen lags, glitches and presents flickering horizontal lines, which looks like a malfunctioning old TV screen, with hues of pink, yellow, green and some fuzziness. Sometimes, only the bottom half of the iPhone 15 screen flickers, while at other times, the entire screen is affected. This problem can stem from either software or hardware, but there's no need to fret. Just try the steps here to make the flickering stop. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Force shut down your iPhone 15, then reboot it. If screen recordings or screenshots fail to capture the blinking screen, it's likely that the software glitches cause the iPhone 15 to flicker. To address the random flickering and jumping animation, power the device off, then turn it back on. Quick press volume up, then release. Quick press volume down, then release. Press the power key and hold it for a while. This time, the iPhone 15 screen will stop flickering and turn off. When the Apple logo appears on the display, release the power key and let the device reboot. Now, take a look if the random flickering on iPhone 15 display has been resolved. Step 2. Force quit the faulty app or delete it. iPhone 15 screen keeps flickering or blinking only while using one specific app. Obviously, that app is acting weird. The go-to solution is to force quit the app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open App Switcher. Find the app causing the screen to flicker all of a sudden and swipe it up. Check if it helps stop iPhone 15 from flickering the screen. If the issue reoccurs, start by updating the app. If that doesn't help, consider deleting it and looking for alternatives. Step 3. Disable auto brightness. This technique is specifically for those who have an iPhone 15 with a functioning screen and access to the Settings app. If your iPhone 15 screen is flickering horizontal lines in green or yellow all the time and remains unresponsive, proceed to the next solutions. Here's how to toggle off the auto brightness feature. Navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit and tap Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size. Then, scroll all the way down to locate the auto brightness feature. It's designed to adjust the display brightness based on lighting conditions around you. When activated, rapid changes in brightness levels may interfere with visual stability and lead to the perception of screen flickering. To rule it out, just tap the toggle to disable it. After that, restart the device and see if you manage to fix an iPhone 15 display flickering. Step 4. Toggle off Photos HDR feature. Photos HDR feature could also lead to a stranger screen flicker on your iPhone 15. To check it, navigate to the Settings app. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Then, find and select Photos. Scroll down a little bit to locate the View Full HDR. When enabled, the screen might be not equipped to handle the excessive brightness levels, maintain the high frame rates or process complex color. As a result, the iPhone 15 screen is blinking at random times. To eliminate this possibility, tap the toggle to switch it off, then restart the device to see if it reduces the flickering and the screen goes back to normal color balance. Step 5. Enter recovery mode to fix iPhone 15 display flickering problem. The screen issue may suggest a problem with the operating system. In this situation, it's suggested to put the iPhone 15 into recovery mode to tackle screen flickering. Here's the process to follow. On your computer, use the genuine cable to plug your iPhone 15 into its USB port and run iTunes or Apple devices app. It's worth mentioning that iTunes has been replaced by Finder in a Mac running Catalina or newer. The next step is to put the iPhone 15 into recovery mode. Volume up once, volume down once, then hold the side button until a restore screen appears. You can use the same steps on an iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, or iPhone 15 Pro Max. As soon as the device enters the recovery mode, The program on your computer will quickly identify it and present you with choices to either update or restore it. To resolve iPhone 15 screen flickering lines, start by selecting the Update option to install an iOS update. If it fails, repeat the process, then opt for Restore to bring the device back to its factory settings, after confirming that a recent backup exists. Step 6. Repair screen flickering on iPhone 15. If none of these solutions work, it indicates a hardware issue where you need to head to your nearest Genius Bar or an Apple-authorized service provider for professional assistance. They help diagnose the issue and provide the course of action, whether it's a repair or a replacement. If you have Apple Care Plus, you'll benefit from an express replacement option, which means you'll receive a replacement device to use while your original one is being fixed. That's all for how to fix a flickering screen on iPhone 15. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.